Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an interesting conversation you had with a very old person. You should say who this person is, where you had the conversation, what you talked about, and explain how you felt about the experience. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I am a sociable person and like to interact with different kinds of people in my life, including men, women, and children, and have had a number of conversations, including formal as well as casual. And today, I would like to speak about my encounter with an elderly person, Mr. Gill, which I found quite intriguing. Encounter means an unexpected meeting. Elderly is again a synonym for saying old, so we did not repeat the word that was already in the question. And intriguing means something that is quite interesting or fascinating. So instead of repeating the words that were in the question, we have actually used synonyms, and all these will increase our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Alright, so let's continue. Last month, when I was traveling from Delhi to Nainital to attend my cousin's wedding, I happened to meet him on the train. Moreover, my headphones were not working and I was getting bored, so I started to talk to Mr. Gill, who was 70 years of age. Furthermore, I found it really hard to believe his age, so he started shedding light on his fitness regime, informed me about his daily yoga and meditation sessions, and also about its immense benefits, including increased concentration, promotion of physical and mental relaxation, as well as managing stress to lead a productive life. So, fitness regime means kind of routine. Immense means lot of or great benefits. Productive means fruitful. Additionally, he also emphasized about his dietary choices and how he refrains from junk food to stay fit as a fiddle. So, emphasized means to focus on something. Refrains means avoid. And fit as a fiddle is again an idiom which means to be healthy. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. So it is a good idea to add this to your idiom list. His tales were so captivating that I didn't realize how quickly the 6 hours of journey passed by. Captivating means interesting, something that you were glued to. Finally, I felt motivated and was on cloud nine as he inculcated me with a sense of positivity and confidence towards life, and the meeting still remains memorable for me. So, on cloud nine means to be very happy or joyous. Inculcated means to fill you up with, and memorable means something that you remember for a very long time. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.